If you're dealing with the frustrating problem of a zipper that has come completely off its track, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through exactly how to fix a zipper that came off. Whether it's on your favorite jacket, bag, or a pair of pants, you don't need to toss the item or spend money on a tailor. With a few simple steps, you can fix it yourself. First, gather the tools you'll need: a pair of pliers, a small screwdriver, and some patience. If the zipper slider is still intact and hasn't broken, it's a good sign. You're already halfway to solving the problem. Begin by locating the end of the zipper track where the teeth are intact and still lined up properly. This is typically at the bottom for jackets and the side for bags. Next, carefully examine the zipper slider. If it's bent or misshapen, use the pliers to gently squeeze it back into shape. A damaged slider won't grip the teeth correctly, so this step is crucial for success. Once the slider looks good, position it at the end of the zipper teeth and gently slide it back onto the track. If it feels stuck, use the small screwdriver to help guide the teeth into the slider. As you continue learning how to fix a zipper that came off, make sure both sides of the zipper teeth are aligned properly. If even one tooth is out of place, the slider won't work correctly, and you'll end up repeating the process. Slowly pull the slider up the zipper, checking for smooth operation as you go. If the slider moves freely and the teeth interlock correctly, you've done it. If the zipper has a stop at the end that was removed during the mishap, you'll need to replace it. Most craft or hardware stores sell replacement stops. Use the pliers to attach the new stop securely, ensuring it prevents the slider from coming off the track again in the future. Once you've completed the repair, test the zipper a few times to make sure everything is functioning as it should. If you followed these steps on how to fix a zipper that came off and the zipper still doesn't work, the issue may lie with the teeth themselves. In that case, you may need to replace the entire zipper, but this is rare. Zipper problems can be frustrating, but they're often easier to fix than they seem. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can save your favorite items and avoid costly repairs. Now that you know how to fix a zipper that came off, you're ready to handle any zipper mishap that comes your way. Good luck and happy fixing!